4. I can't believe that we're already there. I know 4 for some people is nothing, but I swear posting a video a day is so hard. And I'm saying this right now, not even knowing if I actually post a video a day. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. Don't ask me. Ask Emmeline who edits. For today, I have a Depop delivery to send. I think we're gonna focus on the electronic makeover. I didn't have time to finish it last night, so I'm gonna work on it and then I'm gonna present it to you. I think that's kind of all we're gonna do today. It's gonna be a shorter video than usual, mostly because I spent my whole morning editing the second video that I'm supposed to post today. I guess 2 days ago for you, something like that. There's 2 days of difference between the moment where I film and the moment where you see it. It's already 3 right now, and the post office closes at 5. I want to be sure that I have time to send the delivery. I also want to make sure that I have time to find an alarm. The reason why I want to find an alarm is because I don't want to have my phone on all the time next to me when I sleep, so I thought that it would be a great idea to buy a new one. Those are the 2 things that we're gonna do, and the electronic makeover, and we'll tackle everything else another day, especially because right now for me it's the 24th, so tomorrow is Christmas and it means lots of meeting with people and lots of activities. It's gonna be lots of fun. I don't know if I'm gonna film for Christmas because it's probably just gonna be like a family day, but you will have a video for Christmas for those who don't enjoy Christmas or don't really like to spend time with their family. I know that for some people it's difficult. Christmas is not always just a family time. Some people have this luxury, not everyone. So you'll still have those videos. But for now, let's focus on going to get the delivery and taking care of this alarm that I definitely need if I want to spend less time on social media. Guys, I can't believe it. It's probably as warm as it used to be in summer. It's crazy. Like, I'm burning in the car. Yesterday I was putting on the sea heater and now it's like I'll probably need the AC. I'm happy how fast it was. I just had to walk in, scan the QR code, print it out, and stick it on it. Like, I've never seen something this easy. So I guess now all we have to do is just go to Goodwill and find an alarm. Before going to check at Goodwill, I just wanted to check one thrift store around in Atlanta called Lost and Found. It's a really good one, knowing that they support LGBTQ plus community, including teenagers who end up being homeless because of this. It's a really, really good thrift store, not only because it's a thrift store, but also on top of that for the actions they take. That's also why I would just want to check here first before I go to Goodwill. I have the feeling that it's closed because I don't see a lot of people, so we'll see. I'll have to come back on the 25th. I'll probably just go to Goodwill, check. If I don't find anything at Goodwill, I can just come back on the 26th and we'll see. Starting to get dark, so we need to pull out the light. I hope I'm not too bright. Let's see the alarm that I found. So I need to clean it up. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of dirty. I tried it. It works. Like, it beep. Now the question is, does it do the light thing? Because it's supposed to be the ones that does the light. And I haven't figured out how to do it. This one is not for this. It's just for like the brightness at which you want it. So maybe it's this button. I don't really know. I'm gonna look online real quick, but the first thing is to clean this up. And I bought more of those socks because I took it once at Goodwill and those socks are like amazing. They go through everything. They survive everything and they look good. I'm pretty happy also because I was very efficient. Everything was done super fast. We're gonna focus on what's good is I shouldn't need any more alarms on my phone. I'm gonna try without it in the few days to come, knowing that, you know, I don't have work, so it's not too bad if I miss the alarm. It's just the time that my body get used to it. But then I do want to create a few focus modes on my phone for when I'm writing, for when I'm drawing, and in my everyday life, I guess. The thing is, I try to set a time thing. Basically, your focus mode on Apple, you can choose what time you want them to start and what time you want them to end. But I think I'm gonna stop doing this because it kind of turns on and off without me realizing it, and it's a little weird. And sometimes my schedule changes, so I'm gonna turn this off, and whenever it's time to write, then I'll take my phone and put it in writing mode. Whenever it's time to draw, put it in drawing mode. I think that's how I'm gonna work this out. For my computer, I just need to reset it a little bit. Right now, the background is completely white because there was water on it at some point, so I wanted to see how much water was on it. It's pretty bad. We'll see how long it holds, and then I guess I'll sell it on back market or something like this. For now, it's working, so I'm gonna keep using it. It's still a very good device. It does the job. I don't see why I would change it just because the screen is a little broken. That's it. I'm pretty proud of everything I did this morning. But yeah, we're gonna figure this out, clean it up. No matter what, I kind of like the aesthetic of it, and it goes with my room, so I'll clean that. No more phone in the morning. I'll turn it off at night, and we're good to go. We're good. Set up 5:02 p.m. What is this for? I still don't get it. I'm confused at what these things are. Oh, it sounds the forest. This is supposed to be like the river. This is the rain. It's terrible. Forest is not too bad though, I guess. Okay, let's set my first alarm. Oh, I just need to tap it and it gets the message. Uh-oh. Except if I just disconnected it. Yeah, I think I just disconnected it. It didn't stop it. Guys, you need to subscribe to a better content creator. What am I doing? What time is it? It's almost 8. I'm gonna head up to my boyfriend's mom's house. I'm spending Christmas with his family. Because again, it's not like if I have lots of family here. Girly. Like, it's been 2 videos that was supposed to do the electronic makeover. Now I'm gonna head up there and I had to finish the video that I wanted to post for today. Like, I realized how like, oh my god. Like, you better have a good heart, like, to post every day and edit yourself. It's like lots of work. I wasn't expecting that much. But the second video is out, so I'm really happy about this. I think I'm gonna do the electronic makeover back at his mom's place because we're just gonna chill tonight, and then I'll try to show you what I came up with at night, and I might just like use the light and film in my PJs or something. I don't know how it's gonna work out. I'm gonna try to show you the electronic makeover that I do, and hopefully it works out. Yeah, oh my goodness. To get all the presents, and I have to, oh my goodness, guys. Well, I have the presents, I just need to put them in my car, but what I mean is like lots of organization and all. I don't think I had the time to think of the electronic makeover right now. I'll just change them there and then I'll show you and explain to you. I think I have a few ideas of how I'm gonna pull it up. We're gonna see that later. Anyways, I'm late, so I have to go.
You have to clean. Okay, go.
Okay, that's
Okay.
You're too heavy. I think it didn't work. We tried.
Who's we? I tried. No, I'm just joking.
I'm returning your present. Okay, now it's actually time to review the electronic makeover. I don't know how we're supposed to call it. This is how it looks for my phone. The reason why I'm not on it right now is obviously because I film with my phone. The biggest change is I only used creative apps on my main page, and all my other apps, I created a focus page for when I allow myself to be on social media. Like, this social media is a second thing. It's not like a main thing where I go very often. I'm thinking of switching both because I wonder if I can't block some apps in a focus mode, and it means that I would all the time be in the focus mode with the main page, and if I do want to spend some time on social media, then I'll get off focus mode. But like this, it allows me to block my apps. I think it's much better. It's healthier. I used to always have my apps on my main page, and I think it's also one of the problems. I couldn't see myself creating a main screen without all those apps, which is definitely part of the problem. Even though I still have them on my phone, I might consider deleting them at some point. Right now I still have them, but I feel like it's already a good change to not have it on the main page so I can focus on everything else. Let's now look at my iPad main page, and then you open it up. All the widgets are albums so that every month I can kind of change it, because I think I need change to be like creative. I end up being sick of seeing the same screen all the time. It also works this way for whenever I want to draw or anything. On this one I didn't put any focus mode because no matter what, there's like no social media. I do have Pinterest, but it's mostly for inspiration, and I do have YouTube, but I figured out that I don't use it much on my iPad except for listening to music. All the rest is just creative stuff, like writing stuff or drawing stuff, reading stuff. There's so many different things that are not related to social media, so I don't think I'll end up being addicted to it. I need for a focus mode for the iPad. And finally, this guy. It's the guy who went underwater. Not actually underwater, but there was water on it. Still surviving and still working, so I'm gonna still work with it until its last days. I chose the same as my iPad. I like to have similar themes between my devices, also because it's easier. The reason why I say it is because when I create those widgets, I just need to find the same album that I used for my iPad. So all the albums are already created, and it means when I change in the album for the iPad, it will change it on my computer. So if I have the same theme, I don't have to like bother too much about the widgets and stuff. And I did redo all my little app stuff here, so I think it was cute. I know some people managed to do it like down there, change those, but I haven't figured out yet how to do it, so we're gonna stay on this right now. And yeah, I think this video is really short, probably less than 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it though. I'll see you tomorrow. For me today, with Christmas, now we don't have 2 days of difference between the moment I film and the moment you see it. There's just one day. It was my break day kind of filming, not of editing, because I did edit anyway. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow.